Yo, 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 what's up? It's Jeremy from JJ Innovation Growth in the peach capital of the state, baby. Got some pots. Let's see what we got, boys and girls. Let's see what we got. This right here is the hose kit for the AC. I was looking online for the tool to crimp these so I don't have to go nowhere. So let's see what's in box number 2. There's probably a wiring harness. Yep. So this is what I was missing. And this is supposed to be the hose for an LS for the heater hose. It's 3/4 by 4 inch by 90 by 5/8 by 38. So that's 3/4, 4 inches, and then it's supposed to go 90 inches or 5/8 by 3/8. Yeah, yeah. Well, he said. So this is the hose, and these are the high pressure hoses. So size 6, size 10, size 8. So yay! Yay! Vintage air for the win again. Right there, vintage air for the win again. So I'll get them mocked up and get this wiring harness put in. And this is for that heater valve controller. So just let you boys and girls know, I'm probably going live at 5 today. And we'll show a little bit about what's going on. And talk to you about the Holly system. Let you know about that. So I appreciate you, boys and girls. Remember what I said, don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch before sweeping off anybody else. Put God first, that loose and dry. Peace on chicken grease. I'm out.